Though we're not yet complete because we're 77 candidates. Imagine, that's 1/3 of the world.
So what do you expect in this competition?
I expect to have a lot of sisters so that if I will travel in a different country, I have a home to stay. No, I'm just joking, just kidding. And I'm expecting a lot more experiences that I can treasure and make a story to tell to the Philippines when I go back.
Do you feel any pressure for the back-to-back win for the Philippines?
I always get that question even though I'm in the Philippines. But the pressure is there because it's a back-to-back victory that they're aiming. But still, I always say my passion is higher than the pressure that we have right now.
Alright, looking forward for your journey here in Thailand. Invite everyone, our Philippine Alliance and the fans around the world to support your journey.
Thank you so much. A while ago, I think the Miss Grand International posted the ranking for the top 10 dinner with Mr. Nawat, and Philippines international fans, we are on the top 1. I just want to say thank you so much for your support, for your love, and I am humbly asking for your prayers. I know it's hard, I know it's difficult, but as long as I will give my very best, nothing is impossible to bring back the crown to the Philippines.
Your social media accounts.
Thank you. Sorry.
Social media.
Social media accounts. Oh, please follow my social media accounts. Emma Tigla on Instagram. I think all of my social media accounts: TikTok, Facebook. I have Twitter, but I'm more active on Instagram. You can see just a mini vlogs there. I hope you're enjoying watching that.
So why Emma? Why do you want to be Miss Grand International?
Why not?
Ay! Ay! Nangilabot ako. Pakisagot nga. Please pakisagot. Naghihintay si Diva Star. O, di ba?
You saw.
Oy, shoutout mo muna si Diva Star.
Hi, Diva Star! Thank you so much for your support. I love you, Diva Star. Maraming salamat sa iyong basbas. Nakikita mo naman, di ba? Anyway, why am I going to be the next Miss Grand International? As you can see in the social media, as you can see here live, I am doing my very best. I am showing the Miss Grand International organization that a Filipina queen is very hardworking, and the Filipina queen can carry, even though how heavy the crown it is, the duties and responsibilities. Miss Grand International, Mr. Nawat, Mr. Reza, I am ready.
Wow, thank you so much.
Emma, bakit ang gaan-gaan mo subaybayan dito? Mula pagdating, parang kang walang excess baggage. Ang excess baggage mo yung mga outfits.
Pero excess baggage, kung gusto nyo po ha, i-ano lang po dito yung QR.
Ang gaan-gaan
Thank
mo.
you, thank
The
you.
moment you arrived, you were so generous to share the spotlight, Miss Guyana. Hindi mo inangkin. Ina-analyze namin yung bawat move mo.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, hematology. Kayo na namin pinag-aaralan ng bawat galaw mo.
Thank you, maraming salamat. Sabi ko nga, di ba, second time na natin to represent the Philippines. I just wanted to just enjoy every moment. Meet a lot of queens. Yung experience dito, maibaon ko para marami tayong kwentong ibibigay sa ating Filipino fans.
Nakakatuwa. Alam mo talagang arrival mo pa lang, pasabog na kaagad, wala kang know when to pick. Talagang pick ka na talaga, nang pick ka na kaagad kahit wala pang finals, yung ba talaga strategy mo?
Siguro this is the right time to thank the Team Emma. Di ko naman magagawa lahat mag-isa. The Team Emma behind me, maraming salamat. Thank you so much to Mommy G, Vico, my glam team, and Crown and Concept, and of course, ALV. Kanina umaga, magkausap pa kami ni ALV. Talagang nakabantay, nakasubaybay, at yung suporta ng mga Pinoy, ibang klase. Siguro kaya ganun siya kagaan. Nakikita nyo naman siguro, ini-enjoy ko lang din talaga every moment.
Tapos ang fresh mo tignan, tapos despite ang dami mong mga pasabog, paandar, nakipag-collaborate ka sa mga drag artists like
Pangina Hills from Thailand.
From about lahat yun, nagawa mo within the span of few weeks before ka dumating.
Kaya ayan, wala na tayong boses. Pero pagaling na rin naman na tayo. Boses lang ang mawawala, pero ang pasabog, hindi.
Mas marami ka pa bang pasasabugin?
Mas marami pa. We're just on the day 2 po.
Parang ang sarap-sarap po ipaglaban. Grabe
Thank
ka. Ano
you.
meron kay Emma Tigla?
Eto, Emma Tiglao itself, di ba? We're all unique in our own way. Siguro, yung fighting spirit na meron tayo, yun siguro yung nakikita nyo, nagra-radiate. Kaya, ang sarap lang din ipaglaban ang Pilipinas. Di naman mahirap ipaglaban ang Pilipinas eh.
No problem.
Thank you.
Feel that you also have a lot of high fans.
Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. I'm so happy to meet them yesterday. The moment I arrived in the hotel, talagang nandun sila, nakasubaybay. They're there outside, and then some of them gave gifts to me, and I'm so touched, really. They teach me like Thai words, like Shan, Rak, Kun. I love you. I'm learning slowly.
Their early prediction, kasi they're saying that your roommate with
Gachabel, yeah.
you're gonna be in the final two. How do you feel about that?
I'm so excited and I'm so happy if we're gonna be the final two. I'm praying for that because you know Gachabel is really kind and really sweet. She's like my baby sister. So if ever, I hope that we will be on the final two spot.
Oo, pasabog yan. Ako, Emma, ang dami-dami, ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon.
Thank
Sinong
you.
designer mo ngayon?
La Rosa Studio by Jason Castillo. Ragais for my shoes, Walkway, and Vico for my stylist.
Ganda, pakita mo yung shoes mo. So, sino nag-makeup sa'yo?
I did my own
Oh
makeup.
my God!
I did my own makeup.
Hindi pa pang ano yan, pang finals yan ha. Sandali lang, may mga tanong kasi, yung hair mo kasi, di ba, extension siya lang. Ikaw lang naglalagay.
No, I ask help
Ayun.
sa iba. But
Pero
sometimes
ang ganda-ganda
ako lang
eh.
din.
Ibang-iba ka dun sa hair mo.
Thank
Tuloy mo
you.
yan.
Thank you.
Emma,
Ilalaban natin.
how does it feel like meeting Nawat for the first time? Meron ba kayong mga little conversations in between, in private, or
Actually-
ano yung nakita niyo?
Actually, wala pa kaming conversation. Pero kanina, when I went outside the elevator, the moment I went outside, I met Mr. Reza. And pinapakilala ko pala yung sarili ko. Like, Emma from the Philippines. Bigla na niya sinabing, mabuhay, you're from the Philippines. Parang nakakatuwa na kilala niya tayo. And then, si Mr. Nawat naman, na-meet ko siya outside. Yun din, biglang mabuhay. So, parang nakaka-touch na nakikita nila yung Pilipinas. We are seen.
So kaya-kaya mo masustain yung energy mo hanggang day 21? Day 1 pa lang tayo.
Kayang-kaya magpadala lang po kayo ng Beroka.
Hindi ba tayo mag-fade? Hindi ba tayo mag-fade?
Kakayanin natin hindi. As long as you're there to support me. Sabi ko naman sa inyo di ba? I am here. We are prepared. We prepared for this. And I prayed for this moment. Di ba kapag may answered prayer tayo, the moment that our prayers are answered, yung pinagpipray natin is strength and guidance na lang. And the support of our fans.
Well, Emma, so bukod sa sarili mo, sino pa yung dala mo dito sa Thailand sa laban mo sa Miss Grand International?
Siyempre naman, ang mga Pinoy. Actually, hindi lang mga Pinoy di ba? Lahat ng mga fans, international fans, the moment na I arrived, it's not just Filipinos that I saw and the one who took photos with me, it's international fans. Meron pa yung may banner, meron pa may gift. You know what? I have this Instagram page. It is made by Thai fans, the Emma Tiglao Thailand. And I was so happy. I met them yesterday and they gave me gifts. Nakakakilig. Iba pala yung feeling ng ganito. And I don't know, it's a different feeling with Miss Grand International. Talaga namang totoo yung sinabi ni CJ noon. Sabi niya, ate, mag-enjoy ka kasi the organizers, the organization, talagang entertaining Diba?
Very generous.
Very generous talaga, promise.
So, the
And
organization, di ba?
sobrang alaga.
Papa Nawa and Mama Teresa, they always make sure that not only the candidates but also the staff, the media are talagang taking care of.
Yes, and
Hindi tayo nagugutom, Emma. Alam mo yan.
Totoo yan. Totoo
Unang
yan.
araw pa lang, di ba?
or La Fam.
Yung organizations, Papa Nawat and Mama Teresa talagang they love all of us, di ba? Talagang
For the media
and the
people
media
also.
as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alam mo, ramdam na ramdam ko na dalang-dala mo sa puso mo ang mga Pinoy at ang bandera ng Pilipinas. Hindi lang ikaw nakakatuwa yan. Sarap mo ipaglaban, Emma.
Thank you. Because I always say, this is not just my fight. This is our fight. With all the bad news that we are hearing, that we are seeing on the TV, on social media, sana naman, I hope that this one will be a good news for all the Filipinos out there.
And the moment you arrived yesterday, oh my God, all our social media accounts exploded after we uploaded your videos and photos, di ba?
Thank
So,
you,
last
thank
question na lang. Ano napating kasi okay na cross.
Ako may
Paano
question.
sa pre-arrival dinner?
Sandali muna. Oo nga. Ito muna.
Mamaya na.
Ito muna. So Emma, nagbabasa ka ba ng mga comments, like mga negative comments sa Facebook, sa Instagram, ganyan. How can you handle them?
I don't handle them, as I always say. Anything positive or negative comments, it will affect my competition here. So I don't want to read, but marami nagsasabi sa akin with my close friends, with my team, that I am receiving a good feedback. And with that, I am grateful that all of my hard work, all of our hard work are seen and appreciated by not only Filipino fans, but international fans. And thank you. All I can say is thank you.
Thank you pa na lang sa
po.
mga supporters mo, pati yung mga sumuporta sa'yo from day one.
Siguro from day one when I started pageant, you know what?
From 2018, right?
From 24, 22, wag na tayo magsabi ng year.
Kasi veterane, o di ba?
No.
Tapos bumalik parang, ay naku, ewan ko, Diyosa na lang talaga.
Kasi gusto ko lang talaga magpasalamat sa lahat. Without your support, hindi naman tayo makakalaban ng ganito katindi dito sa Thailand. You know what? This batch, this year, for Miss Grand International, there are a lot of beautiful girls, a lot of queen materials. All of us can get the crown. But I hope the Philippines can get this crown again.
Okay, you get crown for your crown. Crown
Thank
gold.
you!
Maraming salamat. Back to
Thank you.
Thank you, Emma.
So much, Emma.
Mamaya na pa yung pre-arrival dinner.
Yeah.
So,
Hindi
may
ko lang
bago-
sure. Medyo naiiba-iba kasi yung schedule. So, yun yung sinabi sa amin. So, let's see.
We'll see you tomorrow. Ay, mamaya pala sa dinner, no?
Yeah. Ano mamaya?
Mamaya. Uy, good luck. Congratulations,
Thank
ha.
you.
Galing-galing. Ang ganda-ganda ni Emma. Isang ang lakad dyan, Emma.
Yun naman.
Nakakaloka talaga to sa Emma. Para
Bait
sa
niya.
everyday nagtatransform. Hindi, ikot ka lang dyan. Baka kasi maano. Tara yung pasabog.
Hindi mo kinaya.
Okay. O kunyari daw nakatalikod ka. Tapos sa harap ka, aura. Naman. O pa. Oh my God. Ganun. Thank you, Philippines! O, diba?
So, iba atake ngayon.
Naman!
Thank you, Emma.
Ay, ito si Mama Sam. Oh, kamusta ka naman?
Hello, Mama Sam.
Andito ka pala, Mama. Andito ka pala, ano? Matigla.
Hi, sir.
Hindi ako nakalimutan. Hello.